Nearpod now has a new function that allows you to create your Nearpods directly in Google Slides. When you're in My Library, scroll down to Create Your Own, and you're going to choose Lesson in Google Slides. You'll get this message that says Welcome to Nearpod in Google Slides. Ignore that. Go to Add-ons, choose Nearpod, open Nearpod. This is going to open up a window from Nearpod that has all of the Nearpod activities that you can add directly into your Google Slides presentation. From here, you're just going to create a Google Slides presentation like you normally would. And then you can add in different Nearpod activities directly into your Google Slide presentation. Once you're finished creating your Nearpod, you're going to choose Save and go to Nearpod. This will take you back to your library, and your Nearpod that you created in Google Slides will show up in your library. The nice thing is now you can edit your Nearpod without having to import more Google Slides. You can choose Edit. It takes you right back to Google Slides. You can make any edits that need to be made. And then you're going to go to Add-ons again, choose Nearpod, open Nearpod so that Nearpod window opens up, and then click Save and go to Nearpod. This will take you right back to your library, and your Nearpod that you just edited will show up in your library. And you'll be able to see your edits that you just made. If you have any questions or need help, just come see me.